iPhone says lock to owner after iOS 26.2 update. Many users report that after an update or reset, their iPhone gets stuck on the activation lock screen, asking for an Apple ID they don't remember, or worse, from a previous owner. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 3 proven ways to fix iPhone lock to owner. Let's get started. All screen recordings in this video are captured using Focusy. Method 1. iCloud DNS Bypass. DNS iCloud Bypass uses a custom DNS server to redirect activation requests during setup, allowing the device to connect to a custom portal instead of Apple's official servers. However, after bypassing, its functionality is limited compared to a fully activated iOS device, and so far, its success rate has only been verified on iOS 8 to 10. Turn on your iPhone and start setup. Connect to Wi-Fi. Tap the I icon to the right of the currently connected Wi-Fi network icon. In the DNS section, tap Configure DNS. Tap Manual to edit the DNS servers. Delete the existing DNS server and enter the following IP addresses based on your region. After changing the DNS, tap the Save button in the upper right corner. Now you can bypass activation lock and use some of your iPhone's features. Method 2. Remove device via iCloud Find My. If you or the previous owner had an iPhone linked to Find My for this device, log into iCloud, go to Find My iPhone, select your device, and click Remove from Account. After that, restart your iPhone and set it up normally. Method 3. Fix iPhone lock to owner without Apple ID. If you forgot Apple ID, can't contact the previous owner. The fastest solution is using any Unlock iCloud Activation Lock Removal tool. It fully removes iCloud Activation Lock. No previous Apple ID required. It supports iPhone and iPad. It has a beginner-friendly interface, high success rate. Download and launch any Unlock on your computer. Connect your iCloud locked iOS device via USB. Choose Bypass iCloud Activation Lock from the menu. Click Start Now to begin. Start jailbreak. Set the device to DFU mode according to the instructions, and your device will automatically start jailbreaking. Then, bypass now. The tool will automatically remove the activation lock in just a few minutes. Done. Your iPhone is unlocked and ready to use. You can now set up a new Apple ID and use your device normally. That's how to fix iPhone lock to owner after update. If you're completely locked out, any unlock is the fastest and most reliable solution. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.